Hey guys, it's like 1:30. LST started at like 8 a.m. I definitely had an alarm set at like 6:15. I don't remember snoozing it, and then this one didn't wake up till 10:30, but he doesn't take as long to get ready as I do. So we are headed there. It took us like 30 minutes to find a car wash, but we did. But now we're headed to LST. All right, we're checking in. All right, we're parked.
What them pretty little lips gonna do to me, baby? But every single time that I come around, it seems you got another man trying to keep you down, baby. Well, you might think you're driving me insane, but I made the game that you're trying to play. You know, I think you maybe ought to know this ain't my first rodeo. I've been around long enough to know some things you can't take back, some things you just got to let go. Yes. Well, hell, I got Sammy on the phone, Nikki at home, trying to get along so I can deal with you, babe.
We're at a Six store now.
At 90. Hey, y'all like my new truck?
This ain't my first rodeo. I've been around long enough to know there's some things you can't take back, there's some things you just got to let go. Well, I ain't got time to change your mind, 'cause the bus is a humming. Are you staying? Are you coming? Come on, baby. Oh, I ain't got time to change your mind, 'cause the bus is a humming. Are you staying? Are you coming? Well, you might think.
Alright, I'm gonna try to talk to you guys without busting my ass on this hill. But we are leaving. Today is Friday. We're leaving LST. We're gonna go to Straight Up. It's like a truck meet, and I'll show you what's going on there. Hey guys, it is day 2, I think. We're just walking around, taking some videos, looking at whatever that is.
I blew up the second gen. So
Gabe blew up the second gen. We're fixing it tonight. All right, y'all. So we kind of blew the head gasket on the second gen. So we went and picked this up this morning. We're trying to sell it by tonight though. So this is Gabe's. It's on some fuel wheels. You know, not bad for a one. I mean, I would call it a daily, but it's literally for a day. So.
Well, every time I see the sun, a rooster crows for days. And every time I see that gal, she always looks away. Hell, she always looks away. Hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, back where I belong. You ought to seen them late last night go out and shake that thing. They went out and shake that thing. Oh, hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, back where I belong. Yeah, baby, hold on, baby. Baby, just hold on. Well, in the shade I waste my days. Tonight I go to town. Well, I'm upstairs with them good time gals, always going down. Yeah, they're always going down. Hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, yeah, back where I belong. Hold on, baby, won't you hold on? One more time, baby. I'm getting right in through the night, twinkling in her eye. Little girl, she ain't got me yet, but Lord, she loves to try. Oh, Lord, she done try. Hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, baby, back where I belong with you.
Rolling, she'll roast.
So me and Lauren were in a, where were we?
We were in Walmart.
Me and Lauren were in Walmart, and we found some wheel brights, and we're gonna make a makeshift situation in the new truck because we don't have anything else to do. Also, we're at a meet, but you know, we have important things to do.
Yes.
Okay, so we ran into Lowe's and we got some batteries for these, and then we got some tape to hang it up because we're smart like that. This does not go on your hair, if you were wondering. So yeah,
Come
truck
to us.
mods.
Yep,
Yeah,
come to us for all of your
needs.
Starlight headliner.
Yeah, this is a new trend. So
New trend. This is
Walmart,
going to be
Walmart wheel brights, not lights.
the Yak Attack Smack and Lauren challenge.
Yes, the challenge. If you do this, tag us on Instagram.
Oh, no,
Also, we have like 9 bangs back here.
Lauren did not just buy a whole case of bangs.
Not at all,
Yeah,
not
I
at
did.
all.
Let's have a heart attack, you know? Yak
Hold
Attack
on,
Smack.
put this in.
Yes,
We
yes, yes.
lost something.
Oh, which way does it go though?
I don't know.
Oh, like that, like. Oh, so pretty. Oh no.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
See if that works. No.
Did I even put the batteries in the right way?
I don't know. Okay, we put. Oh, there we go.
Okay, where's the tape? I thought they were one color. This is the S&G mod of the evening.
Oh, yeah. They're gonna hire us next.
Nikki, Scoop, this goes out to you. Where's the bag?
I don't know. We lost the razor blades.
Oh, nope.
No. We have to cut the tape. Okay, we got it.
Where's Lauren's knife when she needs it?
Literally.
I have it with me everywhere.
How
else.
dare you? careful.
I thought they were taped together. I took them all out for no reason.
Okay, so where should we put the block thingy? Is this double-sided?
Yeah, I believe so.
Mounting. Oh, well, I would friggin' hope so.
So I think we should put the block like.
Okay, block's going there, and then we're gonna run it that way.
Yep.
Perfect. We are so. We're gonna match all the locals out here.
We're gonna, yeah, and then if they ask where we got these,
Don't worry about it. Are you okay? No! You need to be careful. What do we do? Hold on. We don't have any band-aids.
What are you? Oh!
super tight.
Okay,
Is that
so
a battery pack for it?
Fuck yes. Okay, this is gonna go right up there.
where's the button? Okay.
Sick.
Should go like right here?
Yep.
All right.
There's a fucking button to turn it off and on.
Oh,
Do we need more?
it's just not straight. Hold on, maybe we'll go like on the airbag. Perfect.
Yeah, cover it up.
No, it fell. Is this tape a liar? Count.
Oh, do we need to put more than one piece on?
Maybe.
Look at this. It's mine. There's lots of them.
We have like not a lot of room.
Oh my FNJ.
Careful, lady. Perfect. Okay, so after spending like $30 on tape, we figured out that we could do this.
What the fuck?
Litty titty.
Woo! Maybe we'll still try.
You spent $30 on tape?
Yeah?
Who spent
You know how much money I've spent between? I don't even know how much money I've spent.
I think $100 within the last hour, so.
They're making a dream come
Woo!
true.
Alright, so after messing with it for a little bit, this is our final product. So, when you get these, read the directions, or I don't know, just look at it and then like throw it, and then do this. And
This is the hardest Starlight headliner in the game.
yeah, this
No
is
doubt.
the new trend. You gotta do it now. It's the Lauren and Kaylee challenge. Ta-da!
I'm gonna show y'all some.
I like your hat. I like
Thanks.
it. I like it. We're trying some Justin champagne
I gotta
seasoning.
take all this?
Well, fuck, I already put some. I lick it if you want.
Okay, how about, what is it like? What does it even taste like?
I mean, it's seasoning.
Tell me that don't look like a fucking commercial.
Are we ready? Are we ready?
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Go ahead.
That's good as shit.
Gabe said,
That's so fucking funny.
did I not record that whole thing?
Shit.
Love that for me. Okay, it doesn't taste good with gum.
Brand new.
Read it again.
The fine print. Where is it? It says when Gabe Fell Productions, me, reaches his $1 million setup, I, Lauren, will wrap every single vehicle for free. That is part of that setup. Single? Is that the fine print?
Every single vehicle.
Is it every single vehicle or a single vehicle in the every?
Every single vehicle.
I don't know. Is this your real handwriting?
I'm recording for Gabe, but we're trying to get this damn thing started up. It's I think like 3:30, and they started working on it around midnight last night. So goodness. Oh yeah, she's missed.
Had a lot of fucking build up there, I'd say. There ain't no way it's fucking throwing all that oil in there. Give me that coolant. It needs more coolant. It needs more coolant?
Needs more coolant. Good morning, y'all. I've done this outro like 15 times. I either don't like how I look or don't like how the words are coming out my mouth. this video kind of took like a chaotic turn. Last thing you saw of the 12 valve was that thing blew ahead again. It's the head ended up being warped. So that blew within 10 minutes of us test driving it. So we went and picked up a new truck. So that is the third truck we've had within a week. I don't even know anymore, you guys. I don't even know. I'll show you guys that in probably my next video. But yeah, I'm gonna end this here. We had a lot of fun this weekend. So thanks everybody who came said hi. Can't wait to meet more of you. I'm gonna end this here. All right. See you guys in the next one. Weep weep.